Hello everyone, me here Rupali Sharma from Suman Tech Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic color properties used in HTML and CSS. So now we are going to discuss on the topic color property used in HTML and CSS. So the color can be done into three types. First of all, we will talk about the syntax that can be tag name. After this, style. After this is equals to double quotes, tag close, and in between this we will pass the property, then colon, and after that value, then semicolon closed. So this is a syntax. So we are talking about the color property. So the value can be done into three types. We can give the color into three types. That would be first of all color name. Example red, blue, green we can write automatically, and the next would be hexa. The hexa is hexadecimals which include 6 digits, and after that RGB. RGB stands for red, green and blue color. So we are using these properties here. Suppose tag name we are taking P, that is paragraph tag. After that style, then is equals to the property we are taking, that is color, because we are talking about color, and then in value. Suppose if we are taking color name, so we will take here red. Suppose I am giving red color, so the name will be here, and this is the first tag which is color name. Suppose I am giving hexa, then the syntax will be repeated: style, color, but according to the hexa we will write here hash. So the hash is the smallest code for hexa. So here we will write the 6 digits. Suppose I am writing 6 zeros. So this is the hexa. So next is RGB. So RGB can be written as P style. After that the property, that is color. After that RGB, and in between the brackets we will pass the value of RGB. Like the red color I am taking 2, then green I am taking 24 and blue I am taking 5. So after that, in this way we can classify the color property into 3 types.
So as we have opened our Sublime Text, now we will save our file with the extension. And suppose we have saved our file, and after that we will write the body structure. We will enter, and the body structure has been made, and in between this we are giving the title, that is CSS HTML color. Suppose I am providing the color tag into div. So I've been written here style, and after that printed some message, that is height is 100 pixel, and I will define the width, that is also 100% or pixel according to your use. After that, in div, we will print some message. For an example, I am printing Rupali. So this is my message printed in a div. So we will save the file. Go to the browser, open your file. Suppose I am opening my file in Google Chrome. So this is the name written here, Rupali, which I have mentioned here in the div. So now I will give some classification so that the Rupali tag would be designed. And now I am commenting here that we can use color into 3 types. So after that, I have been written here the style. After that, the background color has been set it red. So we will save the file and go to the browser, refresh the page, and we can see the div style created and the message is being declared, that is Rupali. And after that, I am giving some more classifications, that I have taken another div style and the background color is being set it as RGB, that is red, green and blue. And between the brackets, we will write the value of red, green and blue according to our use, according to which color we need. So save the file, go to the browser and check what is the output of our div. So we can see that the color has been parrot green color according to RGB. Suppose I am writing something else here in the digits and we will see the file, that is the color should be changed. So you can see the color that has been changed in red color. So I've used the break tag so that the div could be broken. Suppose I am creating another div. I will copy this here and will paste here. So I will give the third classification of color property, that is of hexadecimals, which is done by hash and 6 digits above. So I will save the file, refresh. So there is a color made, that is white. So after that, I would like to rearrange my digits and will save the file and go to the browser and will check the difference, that is black color. So in this way we can classify our colors. That is in 3 types in CSS or HTML. First is color name, second is RGB, and the last one is hash or hexadecimals, which includes 6 digits. Only that is integers, that is numbers. Suppose I am rewriting my title, that is color, that is RGB, hexadecimal, color, and color name. So in this type we can give the color property in HTML and CSS. So these are the hexadecimals, and this is color name, that is red.
So thanks for watching our session. Now we will meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.